Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, a little bit of cloud cover out there, but not enough to keep any of the wee bit of heating that we got from today in close to the surface. It is going to get very cold very quickly tonight. And so if you're headed out tonight, make sure that you are bundled up because it is going to be another night of temperatures in the 20s. Let's go outside the live shot right now. This is our downtown sky cam. You can see things looking pretty quiet and pretty dry as well. If you've noticed, even though the humidity is at about 80%, it doesn't really matter because the air temperature has been in the 30s and currently sitting at 32 degrees. That much cold, and the dew points, which have been in the 20s most of the day, that's enough to sort of keep the chapstick handy and certainly have it keep putting the hand lotion on because it is going to be very dry, at least for about the next 24 hours. And then we'll slowly start pumping some moisture in here. And as we do, we'll start to slowly bring in some warmer air. But there's something that comes with it as well. So tonight, we're going to continue to see temperatures well down into the 20s. We're already at freezing before 7 o'clock right now. Freeze warnings are up tonight. I'll show you where those are in just a second. And that warmer air that moves in, that's also going to bring a chance for some rain showers. In a few spots across the state, could see some wintry precipitation again, similar to what we saw last week. Won't be as widespread, but there are chances out there. So this is what we've got for the most part. There's our next system slowly moving north. We've got a warm front associated out there somewhere, working its way closer to the coastline. It'll be a real slow mover, so I don't expect this to have much of an impact on our overnight temperatures tonight. Thus, we've got the freeze warning out for all of Douglas County through tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. The frost advisory as well out towards the coast, including all of Coos County. And highs across the state today struggled to get up into the low 40s. We got up to 43 in Eugene, tad warmer than that down towards Roseburg and North Bend at 63. And you can see right around freezing out towards Central Oregon. Now contrast that to where we're at right now, and it's pretty darn cold in some spots. We're at 32 degrees in Eugene, 35 in Salem, 16 in Bend, and you can see the teens and tens out towards Pendleton and Ontario. So the cold air out to the east will slowly start working its way westward here as that high continues to drift off to the east. So as we go overnight tonight, we'll likely see those temperatures falling back into around the upper 20s by about 2-3 a.m. And it is going to stay very, very cold for most of the night tonight. So here's what we've got. Our high starting to slip off to the east, and that's allowing for some light cloud cover, mainly cirrus clouds, to get closer to the coast. There's the low, still pretty far to the south and west. As the jet stream goes up and over top, it's keeping that cold air locked in place. Now, eventually, that'll shift eastward, and then watch what happens over the next 48 hours. We start to bring in the clouds late tomorrow afternoon. Showers follow with that as we head in towards early Wednesday and in through most of our Wednesday afternoon as the low, or the center of the storm, swings northward. Up across portions of the Dalles, Hood River, maybe some spots that could get some icing Wednesday morning and into Thursday. Everybody else, though, should see the warmer air eventually mix some of that colder air out, and we'll just see some rain showers. So we'll go sunny tomorrow morning, turning cloudy across the coast. Temperatures will likely be in the mid to upper 50s. Another cool one across the Umpqua tomorrow from 50 in Elkton down to around 54 in Myrtle Creek. We'll go mostly sunny skies, but I think it'll start clouding up by late afternoon. Sunny, tad warmer, back to the upper 30s to low 40s across portions of the Cascades. Into Central Oregon, 35 degrees in Redmond, around 34 in Sun River. And then here in the Willamette Valley, we'll go mostly sunny to start, and then we'll be looking at a chance for some cloud cover throughout the day, but dry tomorrow. Not so much for the coast starting Wednesday all the way through Saturday and Sunday. In the Umpqua Basin, we'll stay in the mid to low 50s, and the overnight lows finally will get back up into the 40s, but that means the rain showers are there. Cascades will start with a wintry mix Wednesday, changing all over to snow. It's good for the resorts. They need to add some more to the base up there. And here in the Willamette Valley, another night with temperatures below freezing, but just barely. And then you see those overnight lows, thankfully, get back up to the upper 30s to low 40s and low 50s. But the rain showers are back. See, it's so cold that my lips are not working correctly. And so I just, as soon as I said it, I heard queak.
Myrtle Creek.
Myrtle Creek.
You go thaw out over there. We'll get back to you.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
And tonight's health